Just got your new Shots X1 Air 2 wireless earbuds? Let's get you all set up. Before we begin, make sure that your smartphone and Shots X1 Air 2 are next to each other and the earbuds are fully charged. Done? Let's start. Power on. The earbuds will automatically turn on once removed from the charging case. Power off. The earbuds will automatically turn off once placed inside the charging case. Pairing. Take out the earbuds from the charging case, turn on the Bluetooth on your device, and open the Bluetooth menu. Now select Add Device, and from the list of devices, select X1 Air 2. Your Shots X1 Air 2 earbuds are now paired and ready to use. Music control. To play, pause, tap either left or right earbud 2 times. To go to the next song, tap the right earbud 3 times. To go back to the previous song, tap left earbud 3 times. Volume control. To increase the volume, tap the right earbud once. To decrease the volume, tap the left earbud once. Call controls and voice assistant. To answer an incoming call, tap either left or right earbud once. To end a call, tap either left or right earbud 2 times. To reject an incoming call, touch and hold either left or right earbud for 2 seconds. Activating Voice Assistant. In order to activate Voice Assistant on your Android or iPhone, touch and hold either left or right earbud for 1 second. If you are having trouble with your Shots X1 Air 2, try resetting with the following steps. Before resetting, make sure that your earbuds are fully charged and disconnected from other Bluetooth devices. On your paired devices, remove or delete Shots X1 Air 2 from the list of paired devices in the Bluetooth menu. To manually power off the earbuds, take them out of the charging case. Touch and hold until the red LED blinks once. Now manually power on the earbuds. Touch and hold the earbuds until the LED blinks red and blue alternatively. Tap the earbuds 7 times simultaneously until the blue LED flashes 3 times. Shots X1 Air 2 will power off automatically to complete the reset process. Put the earbuds inside the charging case and follow the pairing process. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.